want to surprise her. Him want to show her how much him love her. Right now I drive as you can see. And we are going to town. He want to show her, say, me really care. It's a big thing him a deal with. You understand? Him no roll out no dibby thing. So fam, big up yourself. This is just great. This is just crazy. So a whole heap of things. So I want to join me on the one here as we drive through going to Kingston. Figure video this and just bring it the experience to the world as him, you know, a big moment. He want to propose to him nice, beautiful girlfriend. And this is what is going to happen. So make sure you stay tuned. If you're not subscribed yet, please may I beg you subscribe to the channel. Please drop a like right now if you're on the channel and you like Wagwan, or literally like, if you literally like Wagwan, press the like button. See? Yeah, mad respect, mad love. And I must say, big up to all our dieted subscribers and thing, and this one's supposed to be epic. Let's do this. We're outside driving into Kingston. Mad thing. The rain actually drew a little bit, but we're getting there. See? No joke, no doubt. Let's go.
Lord, watch over us tonight. Protect my family. In a time like this, we ask for mercy. Watch me in my going out and in my coming in. Could Lord please tell me why they don't want me to win? I see the enemies around to me. Don't let them conquer me. Show me what my eyes can see. Oh, Father, cover me. Judge, as long as I live, bless me, Lord. Watch me in my going out, my coming in. Tell me why they don't want me to win. I see the enemies wrapped on me. Don't let them conquer me. Show trouble.
Yeah man, no joke thing. Make sure you have your tag.
Continue straight for 14 minutes.
See that? Figure that outside.
Lord, run the time how you feel like. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah. Sit down. Now, in this music that we love so much, there's so many great voices that I look up to, great people in this music business.
Yeah, man. Just sorry, you know. Organize everything, you know.
That is it.
And get ready, you know. Put some liquor, you know.
Yeah. You say you're nervous?
Nervous? No, man.
Alright, sir.
Don't catch us. Personalization. It's pretty good thing, you know. Yes, sir. Nice stuff. So hurry up, you know. 9 o'clock done. Supposed to be right at 9.
Yeah man, so you don't know, you know, some more there. You understand? One Jamaica walk by and trust me, see him come out with the rose and the one of the petals and we got up on the ground and ray.
Sit up and thing, you know?
Yeah. And the man at the moment, you know, so not a joke thing. So you know where to catch this at the real way. See?
Yeah, man. The car for car in Jamaica walk by on this one.
Hot ya.
To the right and front.
Hot ya.
Yes, sir.
Figure that. Let's do this.
This up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
See that?
Woo.
Nice background. See it?
Yes.
That is it.
Ah. Look good. Mad thing, man.
You know, put 1 and 2 of them upon it. You know what to do, see? Alright, so about 15 minutes, that's on the fire. Pick it up and go. Alright? You need the lights, just need the lights. Yeah.
So yes, massive, as you can see right behind me, that's the sign well set up and thing. Marry me, you understand, with the art over there and thing. So it's all about a vibe, you know. He actually gone pick up his future fiance, and they're actually on their way here now, you understand. It's just crazy. This is our place set up and thing. Yeah, the sign is right there, looking out on this beautiful, you know, backdrop overhead, looking at Kingston. You understand? No joke. Yeah. So it is just a vibe. And we're here with this creative art, brother. What's your name again, my general?
Perfect proposal.
Perfect proposal, him name. So that's your Instagram too?
Yeah, perfect proposal.
Alright, so
Instagram, Facebook.
Instagram, Facebook. So massive, if you want something like this to set up and thing, this is the guy you link. Perfect proposal, him name on all platform. Look good now, man. Yeah. So look good.
Proposal.
You have a number to you want to give out? Oh, this is
I
what,
can show them the logo.
this is the logo. So when you go on the page, this is what you'll see. Perfect
Definitely.
proposal.
Perfect proposal.
Nice. That is it. Look good. You see me? So yeah. And this is actually one of the simple ones, you know. So don't play with the chop. Alright, so stay tuned. You'll see the rest when time them reach. See? That is it. Let's go.
So I'm surprised that one. Yeah, what she gonna know? So she don't know a thing. She gets
Wait, say what time you gonna do it? She don't know nothing.
nothing. She don't what she gonna know.
Can't know.
I say my element a surprise.
Yeah, so I'm just there, go and set up, you don't know it great. Noel, you understand?
Yeah man,
Vogue.
I can't wait to see her face. I know she not expect that one there, you know.
That is it.
I
What
capture
you roll out
everything.
with?
Yeah. And she walk in, just a bam bam and capture everything when she
Figure
has smile
that.
on her face, you know?
Yeah.
That is it.
Mm.
Let's go. You don't know. So we are here hiding to see if we can catch them scene. So we just hide at a corner at a spot. So that's when they come out of the elevator, we can keep on catching them. You understand? Because the sign is over there. Let's do this. Yeah, man.
Only half awake, and nothing ever stops your dreams. But you're all I need. Honestly,
Oh my god.
I just wanted you to know that I'll never let you go. So stay.
Oh my god. No.
Was it a good surprise?
Yes.
That is it.
I find myself lost in your mind. I find myself lost in your mind. It stops me thinking for a minute. I know the world could be just fine.
Oh my god.
As long as you are always in it.
Was it a good surprise?
I see the glitter in your eyes. I see the glitter in your eyes. When you say that we're together.
The meeting, don't.
That is it, fam. That is it.
Always moving, always mine, always moving.
Still have the rest of the answer.
Never talking about forever.
Yes.
Yeah! Ah, that is it.
Honestly,
Yes,
just wanted you to
that is it.
that I'll never let you go, so stay.
Beautiful. I just want to say congratulations, blessed love, mad thing.
Thank you.
Looking all beautiful for this. Congratulations, doing mad thing. Look at it. That is it.
Me? I feel like it's not even real.
Unbelievable. Perfect.
Yes, massive. So for this beautiful occasion, you done. I just want to say congratulations. This is so lovely. Right on top of the pinnacle of one party. You understand? No joke with the big, nice, marry me. And she say yes and thing. You don't know. So right now the future, Mrs. Moore.
Yes.
You understand? Figure that. So a while ago we were talking and I'm telling him that why he didn't buy the ring. He said to me, say once if him go take the ring finger and all of them things, if he get your size, she don't know. So him can't do that, so him have to just make it be a complete surprise where him have to just make sure say she in the dark always, cause she's smart. Him says a very smart girl and he really don't want she pick up on nothing. So that is so perfect. That's how me I go do it. And then that way too. You want to buy 2 rings because you get the one where she exactly want now. That is it. Oh my, this is lovely. Look on the ground, massive. Wow.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up.
Well, as you can see, we're going into a new year, and never write no speech, so I'm just make it up as we go along. We're going into a new year. We've been together for 2 years and 5 months, and I think the time is right for us to make that next step. We're gonna go forward and take that next step. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. You've been already.
Nice. Big congratulations, cuz. So massive, it's just crazy. It was just so romantic and simple, and I love it. You know, she's still right there, still amazed, and that's just the way it's supposed to be. That is it. You understand? Who's next? That is it. Look good. The greatest part is that she say yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. I watched the sun come up today. I wish they
Another happy couple and Jamaica walk by bring it to you. So I just want to see in the comment section crazy congratulations, 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 congratulations. You don't know Mr. and Mrs. Moore futuristic. You understand? That is it. Yeah.
honestly, I just wanted you to know that I'll never let
Best night of my life. I wish I did know, so I'm gonna dress up.
Can't get you. Can't get you.
Nice. Love it.
I find myself lost in your mind. I find myself lost in your mind. It stops me thinking for a minute. I know the world could be just fine. I know the world could be just fine as long as you are always in it. I see the glitter in your eyes. I see the glitter in your eyes when you say that we're together. Always moving, always mine. Always moving, always mine. Never talking about forever, but you're all I need. Honestly, I just want